Let's have a look at total chaos in my life. Spending 2 days with me.
Guys, from morning I was making myself calm and telling myself that I had given my boards in 10th also. So I shouldn't be scared the way I am right now. I basically wanted to do a real routine vlog, but the problem is day after tomorrow I have my physical education exam. तो मुझे वो उसके लिए भी पढ़ना है. And this will be mostly a 3 days vlog. Boards are really soon, and I also think that everyone are grinding up right now because it's almost like next month, and most of the classmates are nowadays posting study snaps, so I'm really scared by looking at their preparation also. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Let's continue.
Today I was having my tuition, so मुझे ज़्यादा रिकॉर्ड करने को नहीं मिला. While coming back, I did a little shopping, so I just recorded there. And here the next day comes, and now I'm preparing for my physical education exam. We have like 2 diagrams.
Guys, for today I'm not learning any other subject because tomorrow I have my physical education exam, and I decided not to study because I know if I study accounts today and try to learn for my exam, it will be totally exhausting. For tomorrow's paper I have to learn around 50 questions. तो क्वेश्चन हमें दिए गए इन दी फॉर्म ऑफ PDF, तो मुझे वहाँ लर्न करने होंगे. एंड वी हैव 2 डायग्राम्स इन फिजिकल एजुकेशन. यू नो द ग्राउंड डायग्राम ऑफ बैडमिंटन फुटबॉल कोर्ट, सो वी हैव दोज. तो मुझे वो भी लर्न करने विद लेबलिंग. आई कैन रिकॉर्ड मच टुडे बिकॉज ऑल द इन्फॉर्मेशन इज स्टोर्ड इन माई दिस फोन, सो आई वुड बी एबल टू रिकॉर्ड टुडे. बट टुमारो आफ्टर कमिंग बैक आई विल बी लर्निंग अदर सब्जेक्ट, सो आई कैन रिकॉर्ड टुमारो.
I brought the pens for my board exam, तो मैंने इतने सारे लाए हैं. After coming back from my exam, I drank this.
Hey guys, so I'm just back after giving my physical education exam, and I am really disappointed. Just because, as you know guys, yesterday I told you that I have to learn around 40 questions, I think 50 questions. तो मैंने वो कैसे भी करके learn किए थे. Like somehow I just read it once, twice, even wrote it again and again on the book to understand the answers. And to be shocked guys, उसमें से कुछ भी नहीं आया. Everything came was based on general knowledge about Olympics and all. Like, are you serious? Like, why you are giving us answers to learn if you are not going to put it in the question paper? Let it be guys. So because of that I'm just irritated a little, but it's okay. Paper हो गया है. I just did my work. Let's see what happens. So we got the board's timetable. On 10th of February our board exam is starting, and first paper we have is English. Okay, so I was like okay, कोई बात नहीं, language है. And I thought कि थोड़े बीच में holidays होंगे, right? But no, literally after 2 days, which is on 12th of Feb, we have accountancy paper. Are you serious? Like you're giving so less, like 2 दिन. And we have other papers after that, but I think in between we have gaps. But accounts के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा कम gap है, like 2 days. So I don't know, it's like haunting me right now. पता नहीं मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ. Literally feeling like crying because आज का पेपर ऐसा हुआ है. And now this board's timetable. It's okay for now. I just had shower और अभी मुझे लंच करना है. उसके बाद I have to decide which subject I will be doing now after the lunch. So let's see how it goes.
For today's evening, I just thought to do a small subtopic because from morning my mood is so irritated, and from tomorrow I have to wake up early also because tomorrow will be 20th January, and within 18 days I have my board exams. I have to do time management somehow, and there are lots of things left to do, and the main thing is I have to revise my theory subjects again and again. This was the topic that I didn't studied at all, तो वो मैं कर रही हूँ.
Okay, so guys, I'm done for today. I just recorded a little. I know I was not in my mood today, but still I thought to record. And guys, I think I told you that I will be recording till 20th January only. But मैं देखूँगी if I am uploading a new video. But I don't think so because I need now personal time to study, right? So I will see. Mostly nowadays I will be uploading short videos. So you can stay tuned for my short videos. If you subscribe this channel, you can get the short videos on your homepage, so it will be easier to see there. Bye guys and good night.